Hey guys, today we're going to be making some tilapia fish taco with mango salsa. And this video is dedicated to Vicky because it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Vicky. Alright, so I already made the fish ahead of time. And it's tilapia. And what I did was I put a tablespoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of black pepper in a bowl and mix it up, and then I put 2 cloves of minced garlic in the bowl and mix that up, and I cook the fish in canola oil 2 minutes per side, and then I put it in aluminum foil to keep it nice and warm. And you gotta have your wine with you, so cheers. And in the bowl here we put green onions. I have here a 1/4 cup of green onions, and then a nice tablespoon squeeze of lime juice. Squeeze that up in there. A 1/4 cup of red onion, and a 1/4 cup of chopped mango, and then we have some fresh cilantro. Put that up in there, and some avocado, and we put that in there. You mix it up. It's like got this gorgeous color in it, and it's gonna taste so good. And then we put some half a teaspoon of pepper in there, and we mix that up nice. And then we take our pre-warmed corn tortillas that I put in the microwave, and we just kind of put some of the stuff on there. And you put some of the fish in there. And there you got your fish taco. So you could have that with some corn chips and some salad. And it's a lovely little fast dessert, so healthy. Enjoy, guys.